The Seiko SKX 007 is simply beloved by the watch collector community. It is a great, inexpensive daily beater that can withstand just about everything. It looks good no matter what, and it is probably the only iconic watch that most of us can actually afford. Above all, it is a certified diver. But everything comes to an end when Seiko stopped the production of SKX 007 in July 2018. Seiko wanted to target the watches to a younger audience. What Seiko has done is to take the case, bezel and dial of the 007, played with these three elements to present a new collection of 27 variations in Seiko 5 families. One of the standout models in the new range is the all-black, the Stealth SRPD 79K1. The case has a black PVD finish and the dial has a blackout indices and hands. However, unlike the SKH range, that is the depth rated to 200 meters, this new Seiko 5 Sport range is only water resistant to 100 meters. So, we decided to do something extraordinary. In this video, we will be presenting our very own the Darth Vader. Before we move on, we want to say thank you to all of you who subscribe to our channel. If you have not done yet, please subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you get notified on our new videos, because we make video every week. Now, let's get started. The case used on this watch is from Largaz. It comes in at 42.5mm wide, 22mm lug width and 46mm lug tip to lug tip, which is very reasonable and accommodating size. It wears comfortably on a wide range of wrists. Unlike other PVD or Cerakoted cases, which is matte black throughout the whole case, the overall design of this case is quite soft. The sides of the case are highly polished, with the top of the lugs featuring a fine brush finish. There's a slight bevel where the case meets the bezel, and it extends all the way down to the lugs. The large crown is positioned at 4 o'clock, and it's flanked by a set of prominent crown guards beautifully integrated into the flow of the case. Unsigned crown is quite large and features quite edging. Sitting on top of the case is double dome, no bevel edge sapphire crystal that is extremely strong and scratch resistant. Bezel is unidirectional 120 click, and it is extremely well executed. It features a two-tiered groove pattern that allows a better grip, and the bezel action and blackout finishing are truly impeccable. The insert is a sloped ceramic black Yacht master design from DLW. To suit with the blackout style, we are using brushed black chaptering. On the front, We are using dial and hands from legendary Sumo SPDC 001 with the blackout mod. This is the fact that makes this watch look so gorgeous and unique. Underneath this, the watch is running on the reliable Seiko NH35 hacking and hand winding 24 jewels automatic movement, which has around 40 hours power reserve. You can click on these links to learn more about the Seiko NH35 movement. Finally, the watch is wrapped with the black silicone strap, which goes very well with the blackout design. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. We really hope you enjoy it. Let us know what you think of this Darth Vader in the comment section below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell if you haven't done so. Thanks for watching and we see you again next time.